Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Neha Jadhav, founder of Work4Delight. I work in recruitment space. Today in my show, Sarika Gupta is here. She is an IT professional working in an MNC. Hello Sarika, welcome to
Hi
my
Neha.
show.
Hello Neha. So thanks for inviting.
Yeah, how are you?
Yeah, I'm doing good. Thanks. How are you?
Yeah, hi Sarika. Yeah,
Okay, great.
yeah. And what do you do?
So actually, I work as a project manager. I'm looking end-to-end delivery of the projects. I'm guiding my team members for the agile process, how to follow that and how to complete those projects. So I have technical background as well. I started my career as a developer, so I do have knowledge on SharePoint, .NET, these technologies. So technical background. I love to work on the database part. So yeah, that's me.
Okay. And yeah, Sarika, which thing inspired to choose your career path?
So actually, I did my graduation in. So I did BSc. Subject was maths, physics, chemistry. That time IT sector was in boom and everyone was talking about it. So my friends they were going for MCA entrance. So I too followed same. I appeared in that exam and then I got a letter to choose the colleges and then like everyone was doing that, so I just adopted that and chosen that IT career. So
That's the reason that you choose that MC and then you
yeah.
in that
So
field.
it just happened.
Okay.
It was in flow and it just happened.
Yeah, Sarika, as you told me that you did BSc in maths, then MCA. So then you come in computer background. So how was your transition in IT industry?
So it was not smooth, I would say. So that was a roller coaster ride, and there were lots of ups and downs. I did my training, MCA training, so 6-month training is there. I did from Delhi.
Okay.
So if we compare that time, there were less opportunities in Delhi compared to Bangalore and Pune,
IT
so
field.
in IT industry. So yeah, it was. I mean, I faced lots of struggle to get my first job.
Okay.
And that time, like 2007-8, that period was, so some kind of recession was there.
That time, right.
So then I got my first job as a ASP developer. Then I picked up and learned a lot. So in 5 years of my in my career, like first 5 years of my career, so I changed 5 companies.
Oh, really?
Then I landed up in big MNC, Renault MNC company, and then I continued work there till now for 10 years. So yeah, it was nice experience and good journey that I am enjoying till now.
So you are in the same technology in that last 5 company?
Not same. So initially, like classical ASP, I worked in .NET. I learned SharePoint as well. Even though my training was in Java.
Okay.
So yeah, I like to work on the database part. Yes, so many things like client-side coding, server-side coding. There are lots of things there. So and now I moved. So I played role of developer, then tech lead, senior developer, and now I choose the project manager or delivery lead position.
So now you are in the last 10 years you are working here.
Yes.
Yeah, it's great. As you experienced a 5+ more company, and ever you experienced like any unexpected thing happen with you? Anything?
As such, I discussed with my friends were there in the IT industry, so many things they already told to me. So there were no as such unexpected part. However, I mean there is difference between college life and work culture in the office. Sometime we need to work late because that was the initial phase, our learning phase that takes time to complete the work, right? So we need to sit in the office till some late time.
Like in a particular, you have to work more than
but like 9 to
working
6, it was not 9 to 6.
Okay.
So sometime we need to stay back till 8:30. Right, so that was there. And yeah, one thing was usually in IT industry we work for 5 days, but in my first company, at least for a newcomer or trainees, they asked to come on Saturdays as well, so for at least 6 to 8 months. So we were working
initial
on
period.
right? So that was a bit unexpected for me. So yeah.
I heard about your that unexpected experience, and we want to know that what you liked about your profession. Means,
So yeah, as compared to other industries, so IT industry has a handsome paycheck, security. So working from home, that is something is remote working is something that gives us flexibility to work on. Sometime for our we can get a flexibility, maybe if some urgent thing came up in between our office hours, that we can complete in hour or two, and then whatever the remaining task, that we can do it in extra hours. So that way we can flexibility, that way we can compensate. So that is good. One more thing, so as compared to other industries, on-site opportunity we can get easily in IT industry. So that is something good about it.
Yeah, it's a very great part. And if you get a chance to change decision in past, what that would?
So if I get chance to change my decision, to go back, so I would like to actually my hobby is cooking and baking. In my free time, or to just overcome a bad mood, I used to do cooking. So definitely I would like to prefer or be a good chef if I would get chance, and learn many things. I mean, I want to learn many things in that. Some basic part I know, but there are lot to go to learn there. So yeah, definitely I would, if I can change, I would prefer to be a chef. Yeah.
Okay.
Or a baker.
My next question is about on-site exposure. Actually, it's a dream for every IT professional, and it's very great opportunity also. So, how was your experience about it?
Yeah, I have been approx 6 months in the Netherlands. That was my first on-site. So I was really excited. So in these 6 months only, almost I have visited 10 countries in Europe, as because Europe usually we go with Schengen visa. Okay. So we can go, we can visit all the countries of Europe in that visa. So and I love to travel. So I visited almost 10 countries there, like Germany, France, Netherlands. Of course, I was in Netherlands. So Belgium, Switzerland, Italy, Spain. So yeah, quite a lot.
With family you went there?
No, I went alone that time. That is why I could cover this much within 6 months. And then when I was going back India, so for that 2 weeks period, my family joined me in Netherlands.
Okay.
Right, so then that time they visited 4 countries with me, like we went Belgium, Switzerland, Luxembourg, and Netherlands, Germany too.
Oh.
So almost five countries they also visited with me. Then my second on-site was that I went in a business visa for 2 weeks.
Okay.
I went Finland. Weather was awesome. I went in March, so that was also good. Now I am in London. So actually, every IT professional must have on-site exposure, because at on-site we used to meet customers, so we can have a face-to-face communication with them. We can understand their business very well, so that we can propose a good solution to them. We can understand their business aspects, so accordingly we can have good projects for them, so that it can be beneficial for them as well, and for obviously for us.
For us, right.
Yeah.
In IT, I have seen many women IT professional at various levels that woman and men ratio is very good. So what is your thought about gender diversity?
Yeah, Neha, it's true that there is no difference in our work on the basis of men and women capabilities in IT industry. So everyone can do like there are different job profiles. So women in every sector, she developed the code. They can participate in the leadership role as well. So tester, many things. So management. So equally they treat. They are being treated equally. So women and men, there is no differentiation in IT industry. So that's good. One thing is, I think that flexibility which women can get here, many time it happens that their marriage, kids, that time they need to they need break, right? So and sometimes they want transfer. So in other industries, I don't know.
Smooth,
so
right,
yeah, that is not feasible, I would say. And in IT industry there are many MNC company, so and they give easily transfer to other cities,
facility, right?
right. So I think that is the
Maybe
thing. Right. So yeah, men and women work together with equality.
Sarika, how your family feel about your profession? You are you choose your IT profile, and now we are in London. So sometime our family feel apart, and also our family feel proud that we are in London and we are working in a MNC. So how was your family feeling?
Right. So I mean, they miss us. We also used to miss them, family, mummy, papa, in-laws. They feel proud about me, and so it was not easy decision. It was really difficult to take decision to move London with family. So my husband was really supportive. So to support me, he came here with me. He left his job in India.
Okay.
So yeah, that was really difficult. So change never come easily, right? So but yeah, my family, my husband, they are really good, and they think about me. I'd say they loved me. So that was really good.
Yeah. Thank you, Sarika, for sharing such good experience and IT industry insights with us. And I have one request. Do you want to pass any message for freshers and juniors?
So, to the newcomers, I wanted to pass message like to they should adopt IT work culture as soon as they can. Right, so they need to understand why they are doing this task, how they will do that they can learn. They definitely the training and all uh, they attend, then only they join to the IT company. But they should understand the business aspects of the work which they are doing, and then along with the what they are doing, why they are doing, where it will be used. So in that way they can develop a good project and which can be beneficial for business, and users can utilize it very well. And they need to adopt IT work culture, uh, keep growing, learning paths. So brush up their skills. Many versions for almost every technology, they are releasing many versions of it. So it's really important to brush up their skill and adopt a new part which is coming in the same skill. So enhancing their skill set is really very important for everyone, not for newcomer, but for everyone, even for us as well.
Thank you, Sarika, for coming here and sharing such your good thought with us. And I'm very delighted to have you here.
Yeah, thanks Neha, and thanks for inviting me. It was really nice talking to you.
Same here.
Thanks.